Hey everyone, my name is Peter. Today I'm going to show you how you can get more leads, book more window cleaning jobs, and save time by streamlining your business with an easy-to-use system. If you've ever felt like you're spending too much time chasing down customers, answering the same questions over and over, or trying to keep up with scheduling, this is for you. By the end of this, you'll see exactly how you can fill your schedule, keep clients coming back, and eliminate the headaches of running your window cleaning business. Plus, if you stick around, I'll show you how to get free access to this software to start using it yourself. So let's talk about getting more clients. The truth is, a lot of window cleaning businesses rely only on word of mouth or the occasional Facebook post to get jobs. And while that's great, it's not enough to keep a steady flow of work. What if you had a system that worked 24/7, bringing in new leads and keeping your calendar full without you constantly checking your phone? That's exactly what this does. With this system, you can let clients book their window cleaning jobs online, manage your schedule effortlessly, and make sure they come back to you when they need their windows cleaned again. One of the biggest time wasters for business owners is scheduling. You're constantly answering calls, texting back and forth, trying to fit people in, and then you get cancellations or double bookings. It's a mess. But with an online booking system, your clients can schedule their own appointments anytime, morning, night, whenever it's convenient for them. The system automatically updates your schedule, so you never have to worry about double bookings, and it sends reminders so customers don't forget their appointments. Less no-shows, less stress. Now, staying connected with clients is key. Most business owners don't realize how simple it is to keep customers engaged without spending all day on the phone. This system lets you send automated appointment reminders, confirmations, and even follow-ups so your clients never forget their service and always know when you're coming. And you can also send quick text updates about promotions, seasonal cleanings, or even last-minute openings. Instead of waiting for customers to call you, you stay on their radar, which means more repeat business. Another game changer is live chat on your website. Instead of losing potential customers because they have a quick question but don't want to call, you can answer their questions in real time. Whether it's pricing, availability, or what areas you service, you can respond instantly and turn website visitors into paying customers without sitting by your phone all day. Now, one of the most important things for any business is getting repeat customers. If someone hires you once, that's great, but what's even better? Making sure they hire you again and again. This system automatically follows up with past clients, reminds them when it's time for their next cleaning, and even offers them discounts or seasonal promotions to keep them coming back. You don't have to chase them, they come to you. And let's talk about reviews, because people trust businesses that have great reviews. After every job, the system automatically asks for feedback and makes it easy for customers to leave a Google or Facebook review with just one click. More reviews mean more trust, and more trust means more bookings. Now, how does this all come together? The system connects all your tools in one place: your booking calendar, payment processing, customer database. It all works together seamlessly. No more switching between different apps, no more forgetting client details, and no more manual follow-ups. And it's not just about managing new customers, it's about keeping past clients coming back. Automated tools remind them when it's time to schedule again, send out special offers during slow seasons, and make it effortless for them to book with you. The best part? You don't need any tech skills to set this up. It's built specifically for window cleaning businesses, so everything is simple and easy to use. There are step-by-step guides to help you get started fast, and you'll have dedicated support every step of the way. Now that you've seen what Funnel Freedom can do, let me show you how easy it is to set it up for your window cleaning business. You don't need to be a tech expert. Everything is designed to be simple and stress-free. Start by logging into your Funnel Freedom account. Once inside, look for the settings option on the left-hand side. Here, you'll find something called your location ID. Just click the copy button next to it. You'll use this in a moment. Next, choose a pre-built template, or as Funnel Freedom calls it, a snapshot. The window cleaning snapshot is specifically designed to help you grow your business. It includes a professional website to showcase your services, email templates to follow up with clients and confirm bookings, and automated text messages to stay in touch with customers. Once you've picked the snapshot, it's time to connect everything. Funnel Freedom provides an import form where you'll enter your name and email address, paste your location ID, and copy and paste the snapshot ID for the window cleaning snapshot. Then, click Import, and Funnel Freedom will automatically set up your website, funnels, and automations, all in a matter of seconds. After your setup is ready, you can customize it to match your business. Add your logo, business name, and contact details. Update the service descriptions to highlight your offerings, whether it's residential window cleaning, commercial storefront cleaning, or seasonal maintenance packages. The email and text message templates are already written for you, but you can adjust them to reflect your unique tone and style. One of the best features of Funnel Freedom is the ability to let your clients schedule a window cleaning appointment directly from your website. Your website will include a built-in calendar where customers can choose a time that works for them. Once they've booked, they'll receive an automated confirmation email with all the details. You'll also get notified so you can be ready for the appointment. No more back and forth phone call, just a smooth automated booking process. Here is one example of a simple website for a window cleaning business. It features a clean layout, a section for customer reviews, and a prominent call to action button for booking services. Provides clear service descriptions and includes an automated chat feature to answer common client questions instantly. Once everything looks perfect, just hit publish and you're live. Your website will be ready to attract new clients, and your funnels will handle tasks like follow-ups, appointment reminders, and even collecting customer reviews. So if you're ready to wipe away the competition and grow your window cleaning business, don't wait. You can start a free 14-day trial today and see the results for yourself. Click the link below to get started and join other successful window cleaners who are already using this system to book more jobs, save time, and grow their business.